Welcome to Rewilding Explained in 2 minutes. Rewilding is a progressive approach to conservation that focuses on restoring ecosystems to their natural state by reintroducing wildlife, removing human-made barriers, and allowing nature to manage itself. Unlike traditional conservation, which often maintains landscapes in a fixed state, rewilding embraces natural change and ecological processes. At the heart of rewilding is the concept of trophic cascades. This is the idea that apex predators, when reintroduced, trigger a chain reaction throughout the entire ecosystem. The most famous example is the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park in 1995. The wolves controlled deer populations, which allowed vegetation to recover along riverbanks, which in turn stabilized the rivers themselves. One species changed an entire landscape. Rewilding also relies heavily on keystone species, animals that have a disproportionately large effect on their environment. Beavers, for example, create wetlands that support hundreds of other species. Elephants in Africa shape entire savannas. Even insects like bees are considered keystone species due to their critical role in pollination. There are 3 core pillars of rewilding: cores, corridors, and carnivores. Core wilderness areas need to be large enough to be self-sustaining. Corridors connect these areas, allowing animals to migrate safely. And large carnivores are reintroduced to restore balance. In Europe, rewilding projects are expanding across countries like Romania, Portugal, and the Netherlands, with organizations like Rewilding Europe leading the charge. In the UK, projects are reintroducing beavers and even exploring the possibility of bringing back lynx. Critics raise valid concerns: conflicts with farming, land use competition, and the unpredictability of ecological outcomes. But growing evidence shows that rewilded landscapes improve biodiversity, combat climate change by sequestering carbon, and even boost local economies through ecotourism. Rewilding isn't about turning back time. It's about giving nature the space and tools to heal itself, and in doing so helping us too. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.